Odyssey, and I'm here with a haul. Part 1 is already posted on my channel, so here's part 2. Let's jump in because I got a lot to show you guys. So I went to Walmart and I got these cute thickers that everybody's hauling. I mean, you guys, they're everything. I'm gonna go back and get more, but I've been buying so much lately, I only got 1 pack of each. I love these. Everybody knows, or if you don't know, I love hollow. And you guys, pink has grown on me so much. Before I started crafting a lot, I liked pink, but it wasn't my favorite. Now pink is like become my favorite color. Anyway, besides like hollow and gold. I also picked up some brilliant gold spray paint from Walmart because I want to spray my boxes. Also, yeah, so maybe some craft projects. I got these Tim Holtz Sizzix thin lit dies. Yeah, I've been wanting these for so long, so I finally ordered them. I was being cheap. I was trying to get them cheaper, but I couldn't. So I got them off Amazon, and it comes with 3 different ones. I'm excited because I really love this dye. I've been seeing everybody make their rosettes with this dye, and I'm obsessed. So I got that from Amazon. I was excited. And that came in. So I'm gonna go to my Dollar Tree goodness. So I got one of these organizers with the lids. I'm gonna use it for like my scrap papers for certain projects I'm working on, like die cuts and different little embellishments. I'll put it in here while I'm working to help me keep more organized. I also got some more of these 3D bows. They're for nail art, but I use them for little bows on my like die cuts and ephemera pieces and all that jazz. I think it makes it look really cute. And then I got some of this. It's supposed to be for your vase, glitter vase filler, but I'm gonna use it for my Happy Meal. I got another one of these embellishment boxes. This is the first time actually that they've had a big one at my Dollar Tree. So I should have got more, but I just got one. And then I got a clipboard. That's all from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart. Now Tuesday morning I got a ton. I'll start with showing the small stuff. So I got these Fa La La, what says Fa La La on there? But I got this decorative tape from Sugar Plum, My Mind's Eye. It was $1.99. This is the code for that. And I got these Amy Tangerine wool half stickers. You guys, these are so cute. Maybe I'm just gonna take them out because the packaging is kind of in the way, but they're really in there really good, you guys. Let's see. There we go. Look how cute these are. I love these. I actually went to a new Tuesday morning. So I think that's why I got so much good stuff, because I drove like 30 minutes to go to this Tuesday morning because my Tuesday morning hasn't been having anything. So I wanted to try a new one. I love these bits by American Crafts. They're stockings. They're wood pieces. And I'm so excited about being able to use these. Let me know if you can see that. If not, I'll go ahead and link all of the numbers below. I'm so excited to use these for tag flips and mini albums and all that good stuff. So excited to get those. And then I got 2 of these Amy Tangerine die cut shapes. I'm excited about getting these on a whim. So yep, they're really cute. Actually, I've never really played with Amy Tangerine stuff before, but I'm excited to give it a go. I also got the Amy Tangerine on a whim paper pad, which I'm also excited about. There's the number there. I really love the swans. I love pizza, so yes, I love pizza. Ice cream cones are cute. Let me know if you want me to flip through it. I'll post it on my Instagram if that's the case. Leave a comment below. I also got this cute My Mind's Eye Wonder pad. I really love this. I really got this so I could like document for my son. I have so much girly paper, and I have to start getting paper for guys because I just don't have any, really. All of my stuff is like really girly. So I'm gonna show you a couple pages. Oh, and here's the code. Alrighty. I mean, you guys, look how adorable. Look at the mopeds. Oh, and it's double-sided, which is even better. Love polka dots. I mean, all of these were so super cute to me. I just couldn't pass it up. I just love it. I just thought it was so adorable. Look at the campfire. I love this. So, yeah. Super cute. Couldn't pass it up, you guys. So then I got that one, and I'm so excited. I got this Spellbinders die, and it comes with the ticket die, a tent, a circus tent, and a banner. I really wanted the banner so bad. Oh, and it comes with a flag. I didn't even see the flag. Maybe I'm tripping. Yeah, it says it comes with 4. A flag, a banner, a tent, and a ticket. So I was excited about this. And this die was only $3.99, you guys. And here is the numbers. So I was excited to get that die. And some more Tuesday morning goodness. Okay, I got some more of these stickers, the spooky glitter stickers from American Crafts. I really wanted some more. I know you guys have seen everybody haul these, so I won't stay on those forever. I also got some more Amy Tangerine stickers. Here's the code for this. I love this. I bought these a long time ago, and they're some of my favorite stickers. I don't have any, this was my first time buying paper from her, but I love these stickers so much, you guys. I don't even know what to say. They're just everything. And I also found these stickers, which is a sticker book, and it comes with 150 stickers for $2.19. I was tripping. For Amy Tangerine. So there is the code. I guess I'll open this one up a little bit and do a flip, so you guys can see a little bit better. So there's that one. Like journaling, some letters, some more stickers. I love that phone. Honestly, I paid $2 pretty much for that phone. And I love the Hi. And the XO is cute, of course, but that phone, I had to have it. And I really liked this fake paper and the typewriter, and I love this too. So yeah, guys, I mean, $2.19, come on. Super cute. And since Halloween's not over, I went ahead and when I found it, I got another one of these Beautiful Nights, small dimensional puffy stickers. I love this collection. I just love it. It's so fun and happy for Halloween. And then you guys, I could not believe my eyes. Tuesday morning has some of the Merry Day collection already in the store. I don't know why. I didn't pick up the cards. They had cards, but I kind of like making my own cards. I don't really buy store-bought cards like that very much, but I did get these because I ordered the collection off scrapbook.com, which you'll see in a minute, but I did not pick up these. But when I seen these, I was so excited, so I went ahead and got them. They are like their, I don't even know what you want to call them, stickers, but there's 89 stickers in here for $1.99. So I can't wait to make embellishments with these, and here's the code for that. So I was excited about that. Okay, you guys, I was going nuts when I found this. This is, I don't even know, I've never used this brand before, but I've seen it a million times on I Go on Tuesday morning. But anyway, this is called the Shimmer Village. You guys, you get to make a village. I was so excited about this. Let me move this out the way. I did not open this up really, but yeah, I'm just gonna see if you can see. They're already cut out and you kind of just like make your houses. And they have a pharmacy and a cinema, and they have trees. You guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys when I have it all up and ready, but that won't be until after Thanksgiving, because I'm a decorate for Christmas after Thanksgiving girl, because my birthday is November 26th, and sometimes it falls on Thanksgiving, and I feel like everybody's so excited for Christmas that my birthday and Thanksgiving gets passed up. Anyway, so it comes with a pharmacy, a cinema, a general store, a toy shop, a church, house 1, house 2, a fire station, trees, house 3, a barn, and deer. It comes with 6 deer, 17 trees. I mean, you guys, I couldn't pass it up. $6.99. And if you want the code to see if it's near you, let me know if you can see that. I will probably link everything below if I can remember. If not, and you want it, go ahead and comment below, and I will make sure that I get the information to you. Okay, now for my scrapbook.com haul. So you guys heard me say I got the Merry Days collection. So of course I got the ephemera, which I'll be buying more of. I got 2 of the puffy stickers. I know you guys have probably seen everybody hauling this collection. When I seen it, I just had to have it. I mean, it's so cute. So here we go. I'm gonna flip through the paper though. Jingle All the Way. Look, it's so cute. Oh, this is so gorgeous, you guys. I love this. La 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 la. I just love it all. It's all so pretty. The swans, of course. I love swans. It's so cute. Oh, look at the hot cocoa. You guys, I just love this so much. It's so pretty. Every single sheet. I mean, they just slayed this collection. Love this too. I love it all. I love every page. Love this. I mean, I'll be buying more. So pretty. Love Santa. Love the stars. What can I say? Polka dots are life. I mean, you guys, I'm more than pleased with this collection. I think they did a great job. And then I got the chipboard. I love the houses. I mean, it's all so pretty. I'll be buying more of this collection. And then this is not from the collection, but I bought these stickers instead of the ones with that come with the collection, which I'll probably buy those later, but I went ahead and got these. They're called Cozy, and they're from American Crafts. They're actually with a different collection, which I can't think of right now, but it's by Pebbles, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I thought this was so cute. I love the sayings like Holly Jolly Santa Baby, Believe, Noel, Merry Christmas, Ho Ho Ho, Mistletoe, hashtag Elfie, I was dying, Fa La La, Warm and Cozy, Another Merry Christmas, Let It Snow, Jingle Bells, and the snowflakes. And then I also got a magnetic matte B for my Evolution die cut machine. It's a magnetic matte, which I'm excited about because I haven't had one up until this point. I was just using a regular matte, and I know this is gonna save me some trouble. And then one of my dies has come in from AliExpress. I'm still waiting on 3 more, and I ordered some more because it's so addicting. But I got the bow dies that everybody has been hauling. Let me know if you can see these. Probably not that great, but yeah. So it comes with a medium, a large, a medium, and a small bow. I love bows, you guys. So yeah, there's that. And that is all for my haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and then hit the notification button. Bye, guys.